To fix the aircode F01 error on a Kenmore dryer, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The aircode F01 indicates a fault with the thermistor, which is often caused by damage to this component. Troubleshooting the thermistor is the first step in resolving the issue. Begin by disconnecting the dryer from the power supply. Then remove the service panel and lift the lint screen. Next, use a screwdriver to unscrew the lint duct housing, where you'll find the diamond-shaped thermistor. Clean any accumulated dust in this area with a vacuum cleaner, as dust can affect the thermistor's functioning. Use a 1/4-inch wrench to unscrew the thermistor and disconnect the associated wiring. A multimeter can be used to test the thermistor's resistance, which should read 10,000 ohms at room temperature. If the reading is significantly different, the thermistor is damaged and needs to be replaced. However, if the thermistor is not in good working condition, it could indicate a fault in the control board, in which case it's recommended to contact a professional repair service for further diagnosis and assistance.